Bitcoin is the word of the day around trading floors. Joining us now is a famous trader you will likely recognize, Dr. J. Thanks so much for coming on the show today.
Great to be with you, Ange. Thank you.
What is your professional take on Bitcoins?
Sure. Whenever we talk about options or futures, and this is of course the future contract, it's a risk transfer vehicle, Angie. I know you know that because you say it all the time, you talk to people about it, but all you're really doing is moving the risk from this hand to this hand. So the fact that people can hedge on a listed exchange with the full faith and credit of Goldman Sachs, Credit Suisse, Morgan Stanley, you name it, all those are members of the OCC, Options Clearing Corp. So when you've got that behind what's going on here at Cboe, I think that's one of the reasons that it's exciting, but I don't think that it really means that, it'll just run up because now people can hedge.
Are you trading Bitcoins right away, or will you wait?
No, I will trade the futures. And why will I trade them? Arbitrage. Arbitrage is a word that we use a lot because, you can take something from here, and if it's trading at 60 cents and it's trading at 65 over here, buy it here, sell it there, that's an arbitrage. There will be that arbitrage between these 200 online exchanges, which I say many of them give you up to 100-to-1 leverage, versus the strong contracts that'll be traded here at Cboe. Those contracts, like I say, going through OCC, Options Clearing Corp, without any of the person-to-person risk or the risk that an exchange fails. We've already seen Mt. Gox fail. There have been others, not as high profile as that, but when you've got your Bitcoins somewhere on the internet, rather than in a secure wallet, there's always a risk. And obviously to trade, you need to have your Bitcoins on that exchange. Well, I think this exchange will draw an awful lot of interest because, again, people with deep pockets, institutions and the rest, will probably use this and hedge on many of the other exchanges. That's my opinion.
Are you concerned at all? You have always been a fearless trader.
Well, true. Fearless, but it doesn't mean that I think that Bitcoins go straight up. I'm just kind of answering or leading you into, I guess, Angie, the idea that some people are saying, well, the reason it ran up is it's listed on exchanges. People will be able to hedge. They've already been able to hedge. I could show you a dozen exchanges that will let you trade calls and puts online. But do they have the full faith and credit that the OCC, the Options Clearing Corp, has? No. So that's their basically their challenge, is for these over-the-counter exchanges that they've had competition, but it's all been low capitalized, over-the-counter competition. Now they're going to have some big competition, both here and from as many as 3 other exchanges here in the US. So I think this is going to be good for the tradability, for volatility, because obviously the more you have a listed product, the more you can somewhat control the volatility. You can never harness it completely, but I think you'll get a better shot at it when you have the ability to trade on a listed exchange.
Thank you, Dr. J, and we hope you come back soon.
Sure. Well, I look forward to it, Angie. Thank you. Keep up the great work.